everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing some decorating in my room. We are getting it ready for Halloween. When I started this, I started it in August, like August 20th or something like that. Yes, I'm an early bird when it comes to Halloween. Halloween is my absolute favorite holiday. It is when my inner child shines out a lot. It is just my absolute favorite. So many childhood memories, so many great memories made on Halloween. A lot of these decorations that I have in my room are either affordable or I made them years back or just recently even. And you can definitely have a very cute room or whole house with a affordable decorations. You don't have to go out and buy the most expensive things all the time. So if you are decorating on a budget, this is definitely for you. So the skeleton and the mirror that I have put up just now, I made that with my mom years ago. It was an inspo off of Pinterest. He's looking a little crusty a little bit. So we're gonna put this. So the bats that I am putting up right now, I got them from Walmart. I want to say 3 years ago. I think you guys can still get them. I'm not exactly sure. You're gonna have to go ahead and check it out. I have not gone to Walmart yet, so I just don't want to walk around that big store. All done with the bats, and I like how it came out. My plan is to hang up this creepy cloth. I got a couple of them from the dollar store. I'm gonna hang them up with these push pins, and I can't exactly get it up on the ceiling like my inspo picture, so we're just gonna replicate it and do what I can to make it kind of like my inspo, but not exactly. So we're gonna give this a go and give it a try, see if my idea works. Hopefully it does. So with the creepy cloth, I just wanted it straight down, but I did drape it more just so it can give that effect, and it looks a lot better that way. This is what I have so far with the creepy cloth. One in this corner, one over here, and one right there near my skull and everything. I think I'm gonna put spiders over there near my doorway, or I might just put it like over here near my TV instead. I don't know, because I feel like there's more room though. Okay, so for this DIY, you need a vase, moss, and some flowers, and some skeletons. This DIY is super easy. You saw this inspo on Pinterest. Just put some moss in the vase, and then I thought I was gonna put some lights in there, but you will see later that I did not. So you layer some moss and then some skeletons, and then put some moss on top, but I did take some out because I wanted the skeletons to be one of the main focus of this project. And after we are done adding some skeletons, we are gonna put the flowers on top of the vase, and then after that we are gonna add some more skeletons and some more moss, just a little bit, not too much, so we can hold the flowers in place. And then after all of that, we are all finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. Just tag me in my Instagram so I can see your recreations. If you do recreate it, even though it's not my own, but I still love to see your recreations. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, I have a spider web going across to my makeup vanity, which, let me tell you, that spider web was a pain in the ass to especially by yourself. So the lights, we've had these lights for a while. I think you can get some lights like this in the dollar store. The spiders, these spiders are definitely from the dollar store, and so is the spider web. The spider web is from the dollar store. Kind of want to add a little more lights to it though. Over here is a wreath that my mom and I made years and years ago, and so cute. So this is what made me do purple, like a purple and silver kind of theme. I also want to do a little green, like Halloween green, but it's so hard to find that color. But this is what made me do like the purple theme and everything. And then as you come to my bed, I have a throw blanket with the bats. Got this from Ross. And the Nightmare Before Christmas one, it was a gift from a long time ago. So I don't know where they got it, but I think you can get them at like on Amazon and stuff, most likely. And then that little pillow in the middle, I got that from Ross as well. These sheets right here, the bat sheets, they are from this store called Gabe's. It's kind of like Ross in a way. So the whole pillowcases came with them as well. But I need to get a purple pillowcase or something to get rid of the leopard. Over here, sorry for the blinking. If this bothers you, I'm sorry. You can skip over. Skeleton, I decorated it a few years ago. And same with the mirror. My mom and I made this a few years back from an inspo that we saw, I think, on Pinterest. And then over here, got this little skeleton from the dollar store, and the lights from the dollar store. And also I got these little decorations from the dollar store, as well as the cups. And the creepy cloth is definitely from the dollar store as well. And I think the spiders as also. I think I got from Michael's 3 years ago, I want to say, something like that. And then my mom made this bottle from a empty liquor bottle, so it's awesome. And then the bats on the wall, I got those from Walmart. Okay. Yeah, all of those bats are from Walmart, 2 different kinds. And then over here, I got these skeleton hands from the dollar store. I'm not sure where the wood's from because we had this had the wood. I think, well, but you can get a wood from dollar store as well. But I got those candles from Five and Below this year. These candles. And this skeleton body I got from Five and Below. It was a whole skeleton, but I took it apart. I made it from a inspiration I saw on Pinterest, and I really wanted to make it. I'm gonna turn the lights on. Okay, so yeah, that's what it looks like with the lights on. You can get the LED lights from the dollar store as well. And you can find LED lights anywhere, honestly. You can even get them at Five and Below, I believe. And then the creepy cloth again from a dollar store. Over here, I believe the bats are from the dollar store as well. Those little tiny ones. And then this craft over here I got everything. There you go, you guys can see it there. I got everything from the dollar store except for the vase. I got the vase from I got it from Goodwill. And then the skeleton head, I honestly don't know where. I want to say maybe the dollar store, not sure. But I know the eyeballs and the little decoration balls, you can get that at the dollar store. And this is just a jar that we have had for a while. Here, I definitely feel like it needs some light over here, like little LED lights or something over here, just to give it a little more pop. Or actually put batteries in these little LED candles. So this little cauldron I got from Five and Below. It's super cute. It ran out of water, but I will show you guys what it looks like. Skeleton, I don't know where. Had him for a while. This is just I'm not sure where I got this. It's a random cooking sheet. It looks old, so I thought it would look well with the theme, since my jewelry box is kind of the same in a way, so I thought it would pull it together. And then this skeleton head is from Joann's. This candle is, I think, from the dollar store from 2 years ago. And the skeleton, I know you can get skeleton heads anywhere, like the dollar store and everything, and we just painted, my mom painted it. These shot glasses were a gift. And some more skeleton heads. Again, shot glass was a gift. And the poison bottle thing, I don't know where we got that from, honestly. Maybe dollar store or Halloween store or Party City. The shot glasses are a gift. This is from Joann's. Let me be right back and I'll show you guys what the cauldron looks like when it's running. It goes a little bit. It's not like the little freezy ice, so it won't be like all over. It's like a small little thing. I thought it was super cute and I really wanted it. So, and it adds a little nice effect over here. But yeah, I think I might add a little lights over here. Let me know, just so I can make it a little bit brighter and pull a little more together. And I have a creepy cloth on here and up there as well. But yeah, and that is all for my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this room makeover video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to become part of my family here on YouTube. If you're new, turn the bell notifications buttons on so you can stay notified when I upload a new video. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!